Japan's economy barely grew in the April to June quarter, as weaker exports and business investment weighed on the faltering recovery. Growth for the world's third-largest economy was flat on a quarterly basis, adding to pressure on the Bank of Japan to take further action to stimulate slack corporate spending. The economy expanded at a 0.2% annual pace in the last quarter, compared with a revised 0.8% rate in January to March period. Economists had forecast that it would maintain or even slightly better that pace in April to June. But private demand, which accounts for nearly two-thirds of business activity, rose only 0.2%. Moving to salvage his Abenomics strategy for fighting stagnation, Prime Minister Shinzo Abe recently proposed 28 trillion yen, $267 billion, in spending initiatives meant to get consumers and businesses to spend more and support the recovery. The Bank of Japan also recently announced it would modestly increase its asset purchases from financial institutions to help inject more cash into the world's third-largest economy and pursue its 2% inflation target. It also plans a comprehensive assessment of the impact of the bank's monetary easing on the economy, citing considerable uncertainty over the outlook for prices and global markets. A recent strengthening in the value of the Japanese yen, and weaker oil prices, have slowed progress toward the inflation target set by Abe and the central bank. In February, the central bank began charging retail banks on excess reserves, implementing a negative interest policy in its quest to get lenders to put money to use.